Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Namecheap account. So let's begin the video. Here I have opened Namecheap, and the first thing that you're going to do is to log into your Namecheap account. Once logged in, you're going to go to the left menu, and on the very bottom it says profile. Press on profile, and below profile it's going to show you security. Press on the security button, and here it's going to show something which is called support pin. You can see that this pin is valid for May 29 in my case, so you're going to refresh the pin once, and you're going to select that pin, right click and copy this pin, because this is going to be necessary if you want to delete your Namecheap account. Now on the top left side it says contact us. Press on submit ticket. So we're going to select account access from here, go to the very bottom, press on next. So here you're going to type in general information your first name and your email address of Namecheap. So for the first name and last name, you can simply go to the profile section of your Namecheap account, and here you're going to find your name. Also you're going to find your username and email address as well. So you're going to just simply paste the email address from there to here, your account username, and in your message subject you're going to type account removal, and in the body you're going to write I do not use my account anymore, so I want it to be deleted. Then you're going to type support pin, and in my case it was 9520 that we just copied. In your case it is going to be different. And if your account has any active service like a domain or a website or hosting, then your account cannot be deleted. So make sure that all of those are not active on your account. On the bottom we're going to agree to this box, I'm not a robot. Press on submit. Your request has been received. We have received your request and your team will get back to you shortly. So here is my ticket ID, which you should take a picture or screenshot. Your first name, last name, email address, your type is issue, and its priority is high. So I would say in 5 working days your Namecheap account will be deleted. So yeah guys, in this way you can delete your Namecheap account. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.